Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good, all are safe, and a welcome to all of you on the YouTube channel of Wire Community. So, in this today's video, we are going to discuss about the next series of 10 most important questions for the CVT exam. I hope you have already watched the previous video in which we had already discussed the 10 important questions. If you are like it, I hope you have liked it, and you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that जब भी ये next series आपको आएगी, आपको जब भी next series next video जब भी channel पे आएगा तो आपको notification आ जाएगा so that you can watch the video. And yes, in this video, next 10 questions. So we will directly jump on the questions. Here are the question. Question number one is on the screen. Let's start. So what you have to do, as we know the rules, you have to pause the video. You have to try to solve. If you are able to solve, that's really great. If you are not able to solve, that's also great because at least you have tried. You can see the video, then you can again start it and you can see the video and you can clear your concept. Okay, so let's start. Here is the first question. In this one, what are they saying? A man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son. What is the present age of his son? So what we know, man is a 24 years older than his son, which means difference between the man and son is equal to what? 24 year. And what we know that this difference is always remains the same. So in 2 years, his age will be twice of it. After 2 years, his age will be what? Man is to son, this ratio will be 2 is to 1. So what will be this difference after 2 years? This difference is a 2 minus 1, one's value is a 24. If one's value is a 24, that means son's age will be equals to 24 and 2 is a 24, 2s are 48. So this is the age of son 2 years later, right? So what will be the present age of son? अगर 2 years के बाद उसका 24 है, तो present will be 24 minus 2. That means it must be 22 years. So present age of son will be 22 years. That's it. Easier. Now let's go on the next question. Rupees 2250 is divided among three friends, Ajay, Vijay and Raj, in such a way that 1/6 of Ajay's share, 1/4 of Vijay's share and 2/5 of Raj's share is equal. 1/6 of Ajay is equal to 1/4 of Vijay, which is equals to 2/5 of Raj. So first if I solve it, what we will get? Ajay by Vijay's ratio will be what? You will see here 6 by 4. That means we can say it is a 3 by 2. So Ajay is to Vijay is a 3 is to 2. And this is a Vijay is to Raj. So if you see Vijay by Raj will be equals to what? 2 by 5 into this 4. So it will be 8 by 5. That means Vijay is to Raj is a 8 is to 5. So we know that VV is the same. So we have to make it equal. So we'll multiply by 4. So it will be 12 is to 8 and this is the 8 is to 5. Means the proportion of Ajay is to Vijay is to Raj will be 12 is to 8 is to 5. Now what we know that rupees 2250 is divided among all of them. What will be the Ajay share? So 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 5 is a 25. So 25 means Ajay share of Ajay is a 12 by 25. Then how much it will be out of 2250? So 25 ones are 25 nines are 12 nines are is a 108. So this share will be 1080. That is option number A will be the. I hope you have understood this. Now we will go for the question number 3. If x% of y is equal to z, what percent of z is the x? X percent means x by 100 of y is equal to z. Then what percent of means question mark by 100 of z is equal to x. So question mark will be equals to x into 100 by z. What is the value of z? Value of z is the xy by 100. So you can see this 100 will goes to here. X into 100 into 100 divided by xy, where xx will get cancelled. So question mark will be equal to 100 square divided by y. That is the option number D. So this is the answer. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. Question number 4. What are they saying here? A shopkeeper marked an article at rupees 1500 and gives a discount to a customer of 10%. But still he earns a profit of 20%. Find the CP. So what we know that whatever is the CP, he is making a profit of 20%. So 120 of CP is equals to What was the mark price? Mark price was a 1500, and on this mark price is giving a discount of 10%. So 90% of mark price is equals to 20% profit of the CP. So if you solve this, what will we get to know? This 0000 will get cancelled. CP will be equals to 1500 into 90 divided by 120. So you can see this 00 cancelled. 15 nines are 135. This 00 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. Then 12 twos are 24 and 12 fives are 60. So this value will be 1145. Okay. So this answer will be option number C. Now we will go for the next question. So you can see a question number 5. That this is the question of the population. So on this population means it is a question based on the percentage. During the first year, the population of villages increased by 5%. Second year, it is diminished by 5%. At the end of the second year, its population was a 47880. Then what was the population at the beginning of the first year? Suppose at the beginning it was a X. Then in the first year, it has been increased by 5%. So if it is increased, we'll do 105 by 100. And now in the second year, it is a diminished by 5%. Means diminished means we will subtract it. So into 95 by 100, which is equal to 47880. Then what is the value of X? So X will be equals to what? 47880 into 100 divided by 105 into 95. So first of all, if we cancel by 19, 19 fives are 19 twos are 38, there will be 9. 19 fives are 95, there will be 3. 19 twos are 38, 0. Now we find 2520 into 100 divided by 105 into 5. 21 fives are 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42, 0. Now we can see here 5 into what? 5 into 24. So and this will be 5 into 20. So 24 twos are 48 and these are the 3 zeros. So the population at the beginning of first year was a 48,000. So answer will be option number. Okay. Now we will go for the next question. So here is the question number 6 on the screen. The least number of complete years. Question is of the compound interest. The least number of complete years in which the sum of a money put out at 20% CI will be more than double. Now we have a trick for CI. Whenever on the compound interest money gets double or more than double, then time required is equals to what? 72 divided by R percentage. So here 72 divided by R is a 20%. So it is equal to 3.6 here. Means to get a double, it will require a 3.6 year. So complete year, he will require a minimum of 4 years to get it double. So time required will be option number B, that is a 4 year. This is the most important type of question. And simply by using this logic, using this trick, you can find out the answer within few seconds. Okay. I hope you are solving with me again as by pausing the video. Now let's go for the question number 7. This is the question of time and work. What are they saying here? A can do a piece of work in a 4 hours. Okay, A required a 4 hours. B and C together required a 3 hours. And A and C required together a 2 hours. How long will B alone take it? So what we do, we will find out the LCM. 4, 3, 2 LCM will be 12, which is a total work. Now we can find out their efficiency. So what will be the efficiency of A? Efficiency of A will be 12 by 4 will be 3. Efficiency of B and C will be 12 by 3 means 4 and this will be 12 by 2 means 6, right? We are doing here 12 by 4, 12 by 3, 12 by 2. So what we know that efficiency of A is a 3 and efficiency of A plus C is equal to 6. Means if I substitute this value here, I will get the efficiency of C as a 3. Now we know efficiency of C as a 3 and efficiency of B plus C is a 4. Where efficiency of C is a 3. So what we can say, efficiency of B will be equals to 1. So what will be the time required for B? Time required for B is equal to total work divided by efficiency of B. That means he will require a 12 hours. So answer will be option number C. That's it. It was easier. Questions are really easy. So the next question is on the screen. This is the question of mixture and alligation, specifically of the mixture. So what are they saying here? A container contains 40 liter of milk. From this container, 4 liter of milk was taken out and replaced by water. This process was repeated further 2 times. So 1 time plus further 2 times means time is a 3 times. Right? So what we know that, and how much milk is now contained in the container. So final mixture is equal to initial mixture into 1 minus whatever quantity is taken out divided by capacity or the total quantity raised to number of times the process is repeated. So initially it was a 40, 1 minus 3 is taking a 4 out of 40 and process has been repeated for 3 times. So 4 ones are 4 tens are means 1 minus 1 by 10. So it will be 9 by 10. So cube of 9 by 10 will be 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So how much it will be? 1010 will get cancelled. 999 this will be 729 into 4 by 100. So how much it will be? 4 9 thus 36 carry will be 3. 8 plus 3 will be 11 carry will be 1. 28 plus 1 is a 29 divided by 100. So it will be 29.16. So your answer will be option number. Now we will go for question number 9. What is the question number 9? A man reaches his office 20 minutes late if he walks from his home at 3 km per hour and reaches 30 minutes early if he walks 4 km per hour. How far is his office from the house? So what we know that distance is equal to S1 T1 is equal to S3 T2. We will use the chain rule. So what is the S1 speed 1? S1 is a 3 km per hour. At that time, he required 20 minutes extra because he is reaching a 20 minute late. So T plus 20, which is equals to when its speed is a 4 km per hour, he is reaching a 30 minute early. That means he will require a T minus 30. So this is in the minute. Okay, remember this. This is in the minute. So 3T plus 60 is equal to 4T minus 120. So 40 minus 3T, 1T is equal to 120 plus 60 is a 180 minute. Right? If we required a 180 minute. Now I have to find out the distance. So I will substitute either here or here. So if I substitute in this one, 4 into T minus 30. That means 4 into 180 minus 30. So distance will be, this is in the kilometer, this is in the minute. So I have to convert it into the hour. So I will divide by the 60. So 4 into 150 by 60. So how much it will be? 4 ones are 4, 15s are 15 into 10s are. So distance will be equals to 10 kilometer. That is the option number D will be the answer. You can substitute here also. D is equal to 3 into T is a 180. 180 plus 20 is a 200 by 60. So 3 ones are 3 20s are and 20 into 10 are. So answer will be 10 kilometers. You can substitute in any one of them. Okay. So I hope you are solving with me. You are pausing the video. You have paused video. Then you are solving. You are able to solve. If you are not able to solve, then you are again started the video. You are trying to understand the concept. I hope you are going with me. And if you have doubt in any of the step, in any of the question, then please ask in the comment box. You can ask your doubts. Me or my team will reach to you definitely. Okay, so here we are up to the last question. Before solving this one again, as I have told you, if you like this video, you have to like it. You can subscribe the channel. You can share with your friends. You have to press the bell icons. Okay, now we are on the last question. In a certain code, a percent B means A is the brother of B, and means mother, at the rate means daughter, dollar means father, hashtag means sister. This is the coded blood relation. If K dollar Z, K dollar, dollar means what? Dollar means father, which means K is a father of, then Z percent U. Percent means what? Brother. Z is a brother of U. U and H. And means what? And means mother. Means U is a mother of H. Then H hashtag N. Hashtag का meaning क्या है? Sister. Means H is a sister of N and N at the rate T. At the rate का meaning था daughter. N is the daughter of T. N is a daughter. Now I know that N and H is the daughter of U. And if they are daughter of T, which means T must be father of him. If T is a father, he must be the husband of U. So they are asking how is T related to you. So T कौन होगा U का? Obviously T will be husband of you. So answer will be husband of. And this is how we have solved all the 10 questions. I hope you have liked this. Thank you so much for watching. and see you in the next video in the next series of 10 questions. Up to that, try to solve more questions, practice more, and ask more doubts. Comment section is there to ask the doubt. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.